Speaking under the banner of I Am 37-1F campaign, socio-political activist Pashang Sherpa said that 4 conditions listed by the centre in the form of reforms is not in the interest of Sikkim. These 4 conditions, according to him, will eventually have an impact on the Article 371F. The 4 conditions are implementations of One Nation, One Ration Card system, ease of doing business reforms, urban local body utility reforms and power sector reforms. Deepak's report. Socio-political activists Pashang Sherpa and Sonam Sherpa last week disclosed a letter issued by the Finance Ministry to all the state governments, including Sikkim government, which has listed 4 conditions before considered eligible for additional borrowing of 2% of the state GSDP. The 4 conditions as mentioned in the letter are implementations of One Nation, One Ration Card system, ease of doing business reforms, urban local body utility reforms and power sector reforms. Speaking under the banner of I Am 37-1F campaign, Pashang Sherpa on Wednesday spoke about the 4 conditions from the centre and how these 4 conditions affect Sikkim and, according to him, its eventual impact of Article 371F.
Government of India Finance Ministry had written a letter on 17 May 2020 to all the states government of various states, giving them an opportunity to borrow 2% of additional loan from the state gross domestic product. They have levied certain conditions to be fulfilled by the state government in order to be eligible to avail the loan. However, when we went through the letter in the context of Sikkim, that it is very unfortunate that they had given 4 list of conditions. So while going through it, it is quite surprising that all those 4 conditions are against the interests of Sikkim and Sikkimese people. It is against the Article 371F.
As per the document shared by Pashang, the letter from the Finance Ministry of May 17 mentions that the centre has decided to provide additional borrowing limit up to 2% of the gross state domestic product to each state. This was aimed to help the state governments who require additional resources to fight COVID-19 pandemic.
To fight such a pandemic, the government of India should have given a free hand or free loan to the state without keeping any condition, but unfortunately government of India have kept these conditions, and we asked the government, state government, the coalition government of Bharatiya Janata Party and Sikkim Krantikari Morcha to clarify their stand. And the governance what we people of Sikkim have got is that we have been forced or we have been compelled to agree to such condition which is totally against the spirit of Sikkim, spirit of Article 371F and the old law.
He also talked about the implementation of One Nation, One Ration Card and its impact on the state Sikkim as it is specially protected under Article 371F.
Whereby One Nation, One Ration Card, we have already rejected it, people of Sikkim have already rejected it on time and again, the political parties, the organizations have already rejected it, yet still they are trying to implement it through backdoor. And second is when we talk about ease of doing business, in Sikkim we cannot think of ease of doing business unless our Companies Act, either old or the new Companies Act, is implemented in the state of Sikkim. To make entry of the Companies Act 2013, the government of India is slowly playing this game of putting this through backdoor. So we condemn this and we reject such kind of conditions from the government of India.
Regarding the ease of doing business reforms as sought by the centre, Pashang said that it is an attempt to implement the Companies Act 2013 in Sikkim. On the reforms sought for the urban local bodies, Pashang said that the conditions mandates that the state will notify floor rates of property tax in ULBS and floor rates of user charges in respect of the provision of the water supply, drainage and sewerage. While Pashang further demanded that the State Economic Revival Committee should submit its report to the state government at the earliest. People of Sikkim are waiting for the report to know what plans the state has to provide relief to them, he added. With Deepak Guru, Gangtok.